Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. Today we're going to be talking about aphids. I've had several calls this summer about customers having aphids on their plants. Now, aphids are small, tiny little insects. They're less than 1/8 of an inch long. They can be numerous colors. There are green, red, yellow. It can be brown. Different types of the aphid is different colors. Their bodies are pear-shaped, tiny little insects, and their mouths have a needle-like mouth part that sticks into the leaf of the plant and sucks the juice out of the leaves. Now, large numbers of aphids can be a problem for plants. Insects can be problems for plants in large numbers because they can stunt growth. They can cause viruses to appear on plants. If large numbers, after they've eaten the plant, they secrete a honeydew, which is a sticky substance that turns black, and then a black sooty mold can appear on the plant. There are certain ants that actually feed on this black sooty mold, and they like it so much that they protect the aphids, and they can carry aphids to other plants where they would eat the leaves and recreate the scenario so that the ants have something to eat. So again, they can spread viruses and stuff, especially on things like vegetables. Now, low number of aphids are not really a problem, so I would guard against, if you see an aphid, just bringing out the insecticides. You don't want to do that. A lot of times all you have to do is take a water hose and spray off those little insects, and they will fall to the ground. They usually can't find their way back to the plant they were on to begin with. They'll, find another plant to get on, but easily enough they are washed off with water. Now, if you have a heavy infestation on a certain plant, you may have to use things that would control them. We recommend trying the safer things first, things like insecticidal soap or neem oil. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're spraying in the late evening or early morning so as not to damage the plant during the heat of the day. But for the most part, spraying it off with water is the best idea. Now, if you have aphids on your milkweed or on your butterfly weed or on your pollinator plants, you do not want to use any insecticide, not even the organics, because that insecticide will damage the monarch caterpillars or any of the other butterfly caterpillars that's feeding on your plant. So the aphids are not going to do that much damage, so just spray them off with water. And you'll be fine. So don't freak out if you find that you have aphids on your plants. Again, if it's a heavy infestation, you can use some things, but if it's anywhere near your milkweed or your other pollinator plants, just spray them off with water and you'll be fine. This is Greg at Willow Ridge Garden Center saying, get your hands dirty. It's good for you.